Mary, do you want to talk about beauty maintenance with me? So everybody, welcome to the couch. We're getting nice and cozy today and we're gonna have a little chat. I've done many of these videos before in the past talking about my beauty. Meryl, this can't happen. This is like my quarterly beauty maintenance chat. I get a lot of questions from you guys on Instagram, sliding into the DMs and the comments and whatnot, asking about what I do. My hair's all over my face. My regular beauty maintenance, what I get done, my hair, where I go, where I recommend that you go, have I been going to anyone in Toronto, and this is just a nice little, you know, quarterly roundup for you about what I'm getting done and what I regularly maintain. How many times am I gonna say that in this video? 5 million. So for those of you who may or may not know, Dan and I, my boyfriend and I, are both from Vancouver, and not recently, it's been a year, it's been over a year, we moved to Toronto, but because all of our family is there, we actually do go home quite regularly. So for most of my beauty things, I have not actually left my people in Vancouver. Every time we go home every like 3 months or so, and I just get everything done while I'm home. I haven't gone to many places in Toronto. I've been getting a few facials here and there. I had a little bit of an ongoing thing with Amoravitsa at the Four Seasons, which was beautiful. I've tried out a HYDRAFACIal place, which is amazing, and I kind of want to keep dabbling into that realm of getting more facials and trying some more things, maybe some microneedling. I don't know, I've been seeing a lot of things. Allegra always posts her, I don't know, it's called Forma facial or something. It looks incredible, so I've been very inspired. I kind of want to test the waters on a little bit more facials. So for those of you who get any of those things done in Toronto, definitely let us know in the comments down below where you go and what you get done. I also really want to get back into laser hair removal. I got thick black hair in my other regions and got a lot of ingrown hairs. It's just very itchy. I just don't like it, and I'd love to get back into the laser hair removal scene. So again, for those of you who are local to Toronto, let us know where you go for that, because I haven't actively sought a place out, but haven't done so yet, so I'll keep you posted on that. For an update on the nails, I feel like I talk about my nails a lot on Instagram and things, and for a long time I'd been getting dip nails at first. I loved them so much. I thought it was great. Dip nails is like a powder that you dip your nails into. They do multiple layers and they don't use a UV light. But what I actually found after about like 6 to 8 months of getting them done, I had this horrific semicircle, this like indent from where they shave your nail down, and it started to turn yellow, and my nails were just getting so brittle. They were breaking, they looked awful, and I took a long break, like a multi-month break over the summer. I can't remember exactly when that was, but I've been trying to nurture my fingernails back to health. I've just been getting normal nail polish, not shellac or anything, and I've been giving my nails a break, and so far they've been growing back nicely, but I had a couple breakages here, which was very sad, but I've been trying to just nurture my nails back. Use hand cream, use cuticle oil, all that good stuff. So I've been doing a little break on the nails. And speaking of, you know, the hand region, just to give you a final update on my hands and what I was using, I was actually using a diaper rash cream to heal my burns. If you missed the burn incident, I'll link the video here for you to watch. It was quite a hysterical, tragic time in my life, but we are healed, we are good, we're going. The pink is slowly but surely going down. And yeah, I went to the hospital when I got home from Mexico when that whole ordeal was happening, and the doctor actually prescribed me a diaper. She didn't even prescribe me, she just told me to go buy a diaper rash cream, and it was a specific like natural one with just a lot of natural oils. Babe, do you remember what the St. John's wort or something? Yeah. St. John's wort? That was a big ingredient that seemed to be in a lot of kind of like burn ointment things. So yeah, I was just using a diaper rash cream. I bought a mommy's the stretch mark lotion to put on my belly because I had a few of the splashes and burns on my belly and legs as well, so I just bought like a mommy cream, and honestly it's been working great. Other than that, I haven't been taking any extra special care with it. I've just been regularly applying my hand cream and whatnot, so that's kind of an update there. As for my hair, I always see my beautiful darling friend ARMINEH. She is at Hair by ARMINEH on Instagram, and she is my hairstylist. She works at Mood Salon in Yaletown in Vancouver, and every time I go home she gives me a little touch up. When we were in Tulum, actually, she brought her hair dye. She brought a toner and scissors, and she gave me a trim and did a little tone while we were there before I went home a few weeks after. And this time, like, basically what we've been trying to do, I've been on like a hair regrowth ever since I had my short bob and bleached blonde hair. I've been trying to grow my hair out and bring it back to health, so I've been trying to do a lot of things that don't involve heat. I've been doing a lot of like heatless waves and whatnot. I've talked about that a lot. I did a little tutorial on it. I will link that below for you as well. I've been trying to do a lot more hair masks and just taking better care of my hair, using big scrunchies and trying to not do as tight of buns and ponies to my hair to get the natural color kind of rolling back. Every time I see ARMINEH, she's kind of been doing less and less. She'll do a toner and put a few like light highlights throughout the face shaping areas of my head, and she's usually pretty amazing. She'll usually write everything that she uses on her Instagram if you wanted to check out what she does, but we've just been doing very minimal upkeep. And then I think that once my hair gets a little bit longer, maybe closer to the summer, we'll do a lot more blonde. I do intend on going more blonde later, but I just want my hair to get back to a healthy state first. So in terms of a haircut, I don't get any layers done, which I should probably start getting to. It's getting to that length where I might need to start actually getting some layers in. She's just been doing a very small minimal trim every time I see her, and then we do a few face shaping wispies in the front of my hair. I do have a lot of baby hairs naturally that just chill out, and a lot of breakage throughout my hair from my abuse of tight buns and ponies and whatnot. So she doesn't actually do any like specific style. I totally just do a straight across cut for my hair, and we've just been doing minimal trims to try and promote as much growth as possible with my hair. So ARMINEH is amazing. She's the only person I go to for my hair. I love her so much, and if you can get a chance to get in to see her in Vancouver, she's a busy woman, booked and busy, but she's so great. And as of recently, she was in Toronto because she won the Contessa Award. She got BC Hairstylist of the Year, so she got one of the top slots in Canada for the best hairstylist. She has an award at Mood Salon, and it's at the front desk, and she's so cute, and we're so proud of her. She's so amazing, and she's killing the game right now, you guys. ARMINEH is amazing. So now, as for my other regular appointments in Vancouver, I always see Dr. PAVLOU at Skin Technique when I am home. I love to see him. I love that he makes me feel plump and juicy and smooth. Now, I know from previous videos that I have filmed on this, a lot of people are very sensitive when it comes to the discussion of lip injections and Botox and whatnot, but I ultimately just think that the overarching discussion here is do what you want with your body, okay? Everyone has different feelings and opinions when it comes to the aging process and how they see themselves, and at the end of the day, I think that whatever makes you feel the most comfortable and beautiful in your own skin is what you should do. One of the last videos that I filmed when I was talking about this, I had mentioned that some people, including myself, have a fear of death, and you know, a lot of the aging process can come as to quite a shock for a lot of people, and a lot of people in our personal lives. You kind of just wake up one day and you're like, whoa, I'm old, the wrinkles are there. And I think that some people totally embrace and appreciate the aging process, and they see it as a beautiful thing, and that is completely fair. And then some people don't, and they want to do a few things to kind of hold on to their youth as long as they can. And I think that whatever way you decide to look at it is completely fine and perfectly beautiful for you and yourself, and you can't really judge another person how they handle and deal with aging and how they handle their face. And sometimes you might think that a person looks completely crazy and that they've gone too overboard, but they might just absolutely love that look. So it's just not really your position to be judging how someone else feels, what makes them feel beautiful and comfortable in their own skin. So there's a few things that I've definitely been doing that make me feel a little bit more, you know, perky and wide awake, getting a little something something up here to help with the awake look and make me look more excited and alive. And honestly, I think that's perfectly on brand for me, being peppy and perky at all times. Am I right? Honestly, I've been getting my lips done for the last 3 years, and I love them so much. I have a really big head. If you ever meet me in person, I got a big noggin. It was a lot larger than average when I was born, and it consistently stayed that way as I grew into my large head, and my head grew with me. I just found that having a more plump pout, I just personally feel like it suited my face a lot more. I love getting them done. I love having a little bit of extra juice. They were done about 6 days ago, so they're always very swollen for the first little bit. They will go down. It doesn't last very long. Botox and lip injections both are not a permanent process. They will dissolve over time, so even if you don't like it, you can get them instantly removed and dissolved, or you can just wait it out and they'll be gone between 4 to 6 months. It's kind of different for everyone depending on her hydration levels, how much you get done. If you want to know specifics in my lips, the first time I got it done, I got a full syringe, and then lately, just for upkeep, every like 6 to 8 months, I've been getting half a syringe, and it'll go down over the next couple weeks, and then it's at that like happy medium place where I like it. And until then, I'm just extra plumped and juicy. And I go to Dr. PAVLOU. He's amazing. I love how honest he is. If I like ask him about a procedure, he'll be like, no, you don't need that, or hey, yeah, let's try it. Like, he's just super honest and open, and he doesn't like to go too overboard on his patients, and I think that really shows. Most people, when I first meet them, or if they don't know already, they don't ever assume that I've had anything done, which is how I like it and how I like to be. So Dr. PAVLOU, love you so much. He's amazing, and they do a ton of other things. They do all the HYDRAFACIALs, microneedling, they do cool sculpting, all these things at Skin Technique. Pretty much anything you need, you can get it done. And no, I have not come to anyone in Toronto, and I don't know of anyone that I could recommend here. I do just go to Dr. PAVLOU in Vancouver. And more recently, the last 2 times I've gone to Dr. PAVLOU, we have just done a little bit of a slight lifty lift in the eyebrows, which also does not last very long at all. I think Botox dissolves pretty quickly, and the last time I had it done, we did a very, very small amount, same with this time. And it just kind of, like, when you wear a tight ponytail, it just kind of does that without having to rip half your hair out. So you see a lot of people doing those like crazy tight braids that they hide in their hair to lift their head. So that's essentially what I just did with a little, it took approximately 3 seconds. There's 0 downtime and there's 0 showing of it. Lips, I always bruise really badly because I hate it. I hate needles, and it really stresses me out, and your lips are so sensitive. But honestly, I see why people do Botox. It's so quick and easy. It's kind of crazy. And the one thing that I found, like, especially when I'm doing these videos, people have so many negative opinions. There's so much stigma around Botox and injections and all that stuff, and at the end of the day, I would always rather be honest with you guys in what I am doing and getting done. And I think there's a lot of people who won't be honest with you about what they get done. There's a lot of people I know in my personal life where I'm like, just tell me what you're getting done. Why are you hiding it? I want to know. Share your secrets, girlfriend. And I think that once you start to see it, you notice how common it actually is, and just how many people actually lie about it, which is something I've come to realize. And you know what? You can hate on me all you want for what I get done. It's my face, and I am just trying to be as honest as I can with my audience. And so that's what I have gotten done. Take with it what you will. And in case any of you are wondering, this is where the Tulum mitts now lie. It is one with our decor now. And with that, my friends, that is my current beauty maintenance, my beauty update for you guys, all the things that I've been getting done, my little touch-ups here and there. And let me know all your thoughts, what you guys get done. What do you do to maintain your beauty in your daily life? And if you have any recommendations of facials or treatments that you know of that are local in Toronto, or that you just get done in general, let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to see videos from me every day in December. And I will see you all tomorrow for another Landmas video. Bye!